just used some lavender infused honey for this recipe. And that is very easy. You just have to let it sit overnight to infuse. So let me show you how I did that. So in a small saucepan, you're just going to heat up 1/4 of a cup of honey to a watery or thin consistency. Add your lavender. If you just go onto Amazon and type in edible lavender petals, you're going to get a ton of different options. Any of them are totally fine. The one that I got, I actually ended up with a lot more than I actually needed. So I'm going to be doing some experimentation for different things that I can use with lavender petals. Leave me any suggestions down below. It doesn't have to be baking. I was thinking of doing some bath bombs, maybe some essential oil. I don't know. So let me know. So anyway, you're just going to stir that lavender into the honey and just get it all dispersed and shut off the heat. And just transfer it to a different bowl and cover it and just let it infuse for 24 hours. After 24 hours, just bring it back up to that watery consistency again in a small sauce pot over low heat. And lastly, you just want to strain this to get out the lavender, and that's it. Simple as that.
Round 2, fight!
How do I get it out of this box intact? Okay. Awesome. Got it. You can decorate this cheesecake however you want, but I just went with some lavender around the edge and then the honeycomb in the middle. Here is the finished product. And you guys can absolutely put this in a springform pan. I just simply could not find my springform pan when I went to make this recipe, and that's why it's in a pie plate. It's the only reason. This can go in a pie dish, or a springform pan, or a travel bowl, or a baking dish, whatever you would like. It does not change the taste whatsoever. If you guys enjoyed this one, don't forget to leave me a like down below, and leave me any suggestions for anything you would like to see next, and leave me any suggestions for what you would do with leftover lavender petals. I have so much leftover lavender and I'm not really sure what to do with it. Like I said, I'm going to be doing some experimenting to see what I can do with it. Any ideas would be so appreciated, and subscribe to make more messes with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!